ये कहानी है मई 24 2021 की। एंड लॉकडाउन के टाइम में अगर रास्ते में कुछ हुआ तो देयर वाज नो हेल्प एट ऑल। एंड तभी भगवान की दया से वन बाइकर केम। ट्रू अबाउट ह्यूमन नेचर दैट once you start facing problems, then your inner child comes out, your true nature comes out. That day at night my body was burning. हेलो गाइस, सो आज मैं आया हूँ, ये स्टोन हट करके जगह है। ये संबलपुर से अगर आप घंटेश्वरी जाएंगे भाया चौरपुर तो बीच में पड़ता है। ये मार्बल जैसा ही मिलता जुलता जगह है, बट उससे काफ़ी हाइट में छोटा है। और ये वन ऑफ द लीस्ट एक्सप्लोर्ड जगहों में से एक है। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, यू शुड विजिट इट समटाइम्स। सो आज मैं आपसे एक कहानी शेयर करना चाहता हूँ। इट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट। शुरुआत से शुरू करते हैं एंड आई बी वेरी वेरी ब्रीफ। ओके, सो ये कहानी है मई 24 2021 की। सो एट दैट टाइम इंडिया में लॉकडाउन चल रहा था कोविड-19 के लिए। एंड I was around 18 years of age, 18 years. So we all know that boys of 16 to 19 years of age are very very hot-headed. So keep this in mind. This will come handy in story ahead. So बात यह है कि हम लोग उस दिन अनगुल जाने वाले थे मई 24 को। अनगुल में बाय द वे मेरे चाचा का घर है। अनगुल डिस्ट्रिक्ट बेसिकली मीन्स अनगुल जो टाउन है वो संबलपुर टाउन से लगभग 160 किलोमीटर्स है। सो हम जाने वाले थे उस दिन ऐसे ही घूमने के लिए। सो बट उसी दिन पापा के ऑफिस से उनका बॉस का फ़ोन आया एंड हिज हॉलीडेज गॉट कैंसल्ड। सो आई वॉज वेरी वेरी हॉट हेडेड एज आई सेड। एंड उसी दिन मैंने कोविड का फर्स्ट डोज भी लिया हुआ था वैक्सीन का। तो मीन्स हम दोपहर को निकलने वाले थे और सुबह पापा के बॉस से फ़ोन आया कि हम नहीं जा सकते। सो आई वॉज वेरी वेरी एंग्री, मीन्स वेरी वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड एक्चुअली। सो आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल गो टू अनगुल इन साइकिल। I know it is very very foolish decision because it was peak of summer by the way, and that day particularly the weather was very very humid, and I know it was very very foolish decision, but yet I took it. And I fought with my parents, which I shouldn't have done. I insist all the boys and girls out there, please don't do something like this so reckless. Okay, means don't be so reckless, otherwise मैं तो बच गया, बट एनीथिंग कैन हैपन टू एनीवन इन दिस डे एंड एज. So coming back to the story, so I packed my bag and I remember it. I packed everything in the same bag, 3 liters of water and ऐसे ही कुछ सामान थे. And the bag was approx 7 to 8 kilos of weight or maybe more than that because I know it was very very heavy. And तभी मेरे पास ये साइकिल नहीं था जो अभी मेरे पास है. फिलहाल तो मैं डोडियो NFS 3x7 साइकिल चला रहा हूँ. तभी मेरे पास नहीं था. मेरे पास एक नॉर्मल सा ऐसे ही रेंजर साइकिल हुआ करता था. And it was again very very heavy cycle and cumbersome to cycle such a long distance. So I began in the afternoon only. Okay, because मतलब सुबह से तो झगड़ा करने में निकल गया, मतलब मेरे टर्म्स मनाने में. So I began in the afternoon and I cycled my way. तब धूप थोड़ा कम था but the weather was very very hot. Okay, so I was cycling and I reached around 15 kilometers away from Sambalpur. Then my uncle called, my paternal uncle, and he said कि यार तू क्या कर रहा है? It's very very, it's totally foolishness. You don't have to go like this, and you will get stuck somewhere, and basically it will be a disaster. So I said no. I was very very motivated that time. Okay, so I said कि नहीं कुछ नहीं होगा. I will complete the distance, and then he hung up the phone. उसके बाद एक ट्रक वाला मुझे मिलता है. Okay, so guys, continuing with the story. उसके बाद एक ट्रक वाला मुझे मिलता है and he just parked in front of me. So when I went near that driver's seat, when I was cycling, so वो मुझे पूछा कि कहाँ जा रहे हो? So I said Angul. So he replied like this, Angul तो नहीं जा पाओगे. So but if you tell a 18-year boy that he's wrong, so he gets into another level. Actually, people should not be like this. Boys at least should not be like this. But I was like this. It was my bad. I said नहीं 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 मैं चला जाऊँगा कुछ नहीं होगा, and I continued. And I'm telling you this since I'm cycling now for 2 to 3 years now. So that heavy backpack over my shoulders, it was very very cumbersome. Means my shoulders were aching, my waist was aching, and everything was totally disaster. एंड वेदर उसमें से हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड हो रखा है, एंड मेरे पास एक गंदा सा साइकिल भी है. मीन्स तब तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा साइकिल था वो, बट साइकिलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इट वॉज वेरी वेरी फुलिशनेस टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस. And by the time I reached Jujumura, it is 40 kilometers from Sambalpur, I was hell tired, and I bought some drinks and I took that and then I continued ahead. रेडाखोल आते आते शाम के 5:30 बज गए थे. बाय द वे रेडाखोल इज 67 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम संबलपुर एंड मुझे अनदर 100 किलोमीटर्स जाना है. ओके 93 to 95 किलोमीटर्स. सो शाम हो गया, 5:30 हो गया है. ऑफ कोर्स आई कुडंट डू, एंड लॉकडाउन के टाइम में अगर रास्ते में कुछ हुआ तो देयर वाज नो हेल्प एट ऑल. बट आई वाज वेरी वेरी फिक्सेटेड ऑन माई गोल दैट आई विल कंप्लीट इट टुडे एनी हाउ. सो आई कंटिन्यूड माई जर्नी. And finally I came across means Redakhol time was over and I was cycling and I decided that no, now means there is a time limit, right? If it gets dark then I'll get thrashing from everyone. So I decided that अभी तो हो गया, जितना साइकिलिंग करना था हो गया, ख़त्म काम, अभी हमको लिफ्ट लेना पड़ेगा. So I took means I started waving my hand, and there were very very few means once one goods truck was going there, means going by, goods truck हो गया and ऐसे ही private vehicles हो गए. So बस वगैरह तो नहीं चल रहे थे तब, and trucks ही हो गए थे, but nobody stopped. And why would they? Because that area is means in one at means कुछ साल पहले that area was very very notorious for means you know Maoists. So a very very notorious place वो हुआ करता था. So nobody would like to stop, and COVID के टाइम चल रहा है, and why would one care for a boy who is cycling? Okay, so nobody stopped, and I was means gradually means I was getting phones by the way, means phone calls by the way from my home कि but I was replying, but after a while मैं reply करना ही बंद कर दिया because that was disturbing me. So I continued my journey ahead, and तभी भगवान के दया से one biker came. Means he was on a normal सा bike, means he was it was Passion Pro or something like this. Okay, so, Splendor maybe. So एक normal सा bike में एक आदमी आ रहा था and he was carrying a backpack. So I means he stopped upon seeing my hand. He stopped and I said what happened. So I said भैया आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? So he said Angul. And you believe you me, on hearing that phrase, means word Angul, I was like a child. Suddenly I was like a child. Means it is true about human nature that once you start facing problems, then your inner child comes out, your true nature comes out. So I suddenly became like a child. And I said भैया मैं भी जाऊँगा. I means started means you know convincing him, but of course he was not means पहले तो कोई भी सोचेगा यार ये अभी भी 190 किलोमीटर जाना है मेरे को बाइक पे, तो इसको कैसे लेकर जाऊँ, है ना. मीन्स इट इज़ सोचोगे तो बहुत ही उटपटांग काम है. So but I think he was God, means sent by God, was a messenger of God, and he said okay, you come. And I kept the cycle between us like this. I held it like this, and then I continued my journey forward. And the road was means at that time that NH link na from Sambalpur to Angul, it was very very poor. Means the road was very very poor. Now it has improved a lot actually. तब गड्ढे हुआ करते थे, रास्ता खराब हुआ करता था, और उसमें भाई मेरा कोविड वैक्सीन ली हुई थी, एंड आई वाज means going like this. Suddenly a pothole used to come and the bike used to ram into that pothole, and I was suddenly destabilized. But means that day my legs, my core, my arms, every means total full body workout हो गया था. And on the top of that endurance, वो तो भयंकर means another level actually. But still I kept going and going. Around Boinda, when I reached Boinda, I remember I was not picking up anybody's call actually. So I picked up my mother's call, and she was very very worried, by the way, and it's natural to be worried. So she said, "कहाँ है तू?" And she was screaming actually. So I said कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं एक बाइक वाले भैया मिल गए हैं, and I'm going like this. So then okay, when you reach, you give me a call. Everybody is worried, your father is worried, and of course it's natural to be worried. And so finally I reached Angul at 8:30 in the night. Means that biker dropped me off 2.5 kilometers away from my home, means my uncle's home. So I cycled the rest of the way, and finally मैं जब घर पहुंचा, of course, means whenever you go to somebody's home, what is the first reaction? They welcome you, means okay, yeah, come in, come in. My first reaction that I got from my elders there, my uncle and aunt, they started thrashing me verbally, yaar. Means, and finally that journey was over. That day at night, my body was burning, of course due to vaccine and tiredness. My body was totally burning. But believe you me, it's God's grace or what I don't know. The next day, I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, as I wake up every day, and I was totally fit. Nothing. Means my body was top to down totally fit. I can cycle another 50 kilometers like that. So my message to you is means uh, human body is capable of a lot of things. Our limitations are only in our mind. Of course there are some physical limitations also, but maximum 99.99% of the limitations are in our mind here. If you are able to control these limitations, then we will conquer heights that nobody will means people don't even are not even able to imagine actually. And one more thing, कि जब वो साइकिलिस्ट मुझे छोड़ रहे थे ना घर से 2.5 किलोमीटर दूर, तो पहले तो मैंने उन्हें कुछ मनी ऑफर किया एज अ थैंक यू, बट उन्हें वो मतलब एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, एंड रादर ही सेड कि यू हेल्प more people around you. So this kind of people means in this world, they make the world a better place to live in. मतलब उन्होंने इतना बड़ा हेल्प किया मुझे, मेरा ऑलमोस्ट लाइफ सेविंग था, and but still he didn't accept anything from me, rather he asked me to help other people around me. So this kind of people definitely means deserve recognition, and उनका नंबर भी मैंने लेके रखा हुआ है. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. Jai Hind.